gonna work now. Jeez Louise. Well, stream just turned on, so disregard all that. What's going on, guys? Welcome to our second day back this week on the live nighttime account. Only down $15 from yesterday. Looks like we tested that level. That could have been the boop boop to push up, or this could be the reject on this level to say nope, going down. Oh, looks like they're going down. We're gonna take it. We're calling the ballsy. It's got that whole fair value gap to clear. Bring that down a little bit. Okay. Okay. She's looking awfully weak. Got some strength back. It's not that great to see. Where's it want to go? Looks like it did a little hope and dream trade. It does look, it could flip, but it looks like it's trying to just continue to go up. But it hit that level pretty hard, so I'm fairly confident to say even if it pushes up here, it will probably reject to go down. Heck, if we catch that whole drip down, they're gonna be beautiful. So yeah, basically risk reward definitely there. Looks like a 1 to 2 for sure. probably end up risking like 140 right there for at least 300. So we like it. I am curious where all that volume came from, though. We Litty, we having a good time, we vibing. Not in a really huge talkative mood today, so I'm glad we're just kind of going slow with the build out. Just enjoying a good trade. Patience is key. Staying controlled, confident, understanding what we got going on here. Because if deny is here, it's going to go test this 21, if not 55. And we got full clear down. So we're just staying in conviction. Slept like shit last night, though. Hopefully we get a good night. I was pumped up from yesterday's stream. I had all these ideas, and I just couldn't fall asleep. I even got off here early, so I could go to bed early. It just didn't work. So hopefully tonight is the key. There we go. What I like to see. Start bringing my stop loss down. Pretty reluctant to want to go down. There we go. There we go. Give us a drain, baby. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna be a bitch, so I'm gonna take 70. Oh.
Order filled.
Which ended up closing at 55, so we were a bitch, but I wanted cash so we could get a little move forward, and look at that. Cash is king, so being protective is always good. It seemed to have rejected off that 21, so not terrible, not terrible. I mean, it could have been better executed, depending on how this candle likes to move. But you know, we're in the positives, and arguably, I really want to focus on $50 to $100 a day, anyways, because at 30 days we can get to a payout by that easy, just 1 or 2 trades a day. So keeping it simple. But there is this entire fair value gap to get, so. be sitting pretty nice if it held with conviction. It looks like it wants to probably test this area anyways, and then maybe reject to push back up. We got news right here, actually. Oh, potentially that's where that came from. South Korea posted that the Australian market is trading modestly higher on Thursday, extending the gains in previous 3 sessions despite the broader negative cues from Wall Street overnight. The benchmark S&P is moving to a near 850 level. Sheesh, I can't read right now. And the gains is mining stocks tracking a higher. Balloon and iron one prices. Man, oh, ore prices. Yeah, my screen's fucking shit. And we could have had that. So it's okay though. We're here having fun. But yeah, we could have probably had that up and down. So shouts out to us understanding what's going on. I hate when you get random calls and they don't leave a voicemail. Like, either leave a voicemail or don't bother me. You know? You got the tweezers. This does look like a good put situation. Man, I keep saying it and just... I know what I'm doing, I'm just not executing sometimes. Test the MAs, see if it wants to go down. Excuse me.
Order filled.
Like this one. Take it to VWAP. Now we got, if it decides to reject this and push up, we got a good risk reward right there. I mean, it's pretty much at a 1-to-1 right now. Shotty flip fast. Sheesh. seem to have this short bias going on right now. We like that wick though. Give it a little more breathing room, just a tiny bit. Hey, today's a good day. Today's a good day. We're here to own the day. Yeah, I may have gotten a little premature on that trade. Push up a little bit. Push up a little bit. That was that basically. Saying, hey, do we want to go higher? And he said, nah, let's go try lower. One needs to beat this 55. Okay, that's what we want to see. Okay, that's promising. That is promising. Donkey Kong's on top, hitting that nail down. Now, I'm most likely seeing it coming down, testing VWAP, and then it'll probably bounce back up. I guess we can put this under VWAP just in case, and I can manpower this bad boy. Which arguably, normally I would but come on, Shouty. There we go. There we go. Come on, Shouty. Come on. Come on. We got the tweezers forming. We got everything. Everything's looking good right now. Give us just a light drain. Just a little drizzle. That candle wasn't too sexy. They're just testing. They're just having conversation. Just trying to see if they want to walk that path of life together. But I think they want to go test down a little lower. Yeah, arguably they're showing they don't. But we have this coil. The tweezers pointing up. It's not very groovy. It's not very Gucci, but we're here for it. Extend that up just a little bit. It keeps in there. It's trying to test our patience. It's trying. Give it that breathing room it needs. I'm not going to move higher than that. If I get taken out on that one, I got to do it because that was just a bad trade in general. If not, if she's going to go down, she's going to go down. First trade, executed well. Second one, not so well. But it's okay. We learn and we move on. Hit the little pen to relax. Give it that blicky power. Blowing it down. Shotty is a little indecisive, to say the least. test, see if it wants to go. If it does, it does. Come on, Shotty, turn around for me. It does have a breakout pattern, so overall, that wasn't all forming when I was getting ready for that, but we're just mitigating, managing risk. Now, if it breaks VWAP, probably push down here, and this would be, I mean, that's take profit 1, this would be take profit 2, that would be take profit 3. Okay, things are happening. Things are happening. Okay, that's looking a little better. So a lot of just resistance on right where I got in at. Just seems to be the utmost amount of resistance. So what that tells me is I should have waited for it to close underneath that level. So if it breaks my level, it should just pour. Come on, trading God, Lord Jesus Christ. Let's show these wonderful YouTube people our abilities, you know? And I'm not talking about our abilities to walk away from losers. I'm talking about our abilities to get winners. We're just sitting in. Oh mine. Come on, Shotty, don't do it to us. Don't do it to us.
Stop field.
Ah. Shucks. It happens. It happens. Well, 1-1, lost one. Now it'd almost be dumb not to take this fucking call. Wait, set back a second.
Order filled.
I don't typically take a play right after each other, but if it's going to play us like that, then so be it. But yeah, I mean, if it breaks out structure right here, I mean, the rejection right there, but it had too much oomph when we were in it to have oomph to take it out, so we're here for bangers. That was what we wanted earlier. it filled this entire fair value gap. So other than I guess right here. So if it does go up, that means Shotty's got to fill this area. And if she breaks that, she's mean. But she had no way. There we go. We like that wick. There we go. That was what we wanted earlier. No way.
Stop filled.
Whores. That was what we wanted earlier. 234. So that's our day of trading today. Sheesh, that's what we wanted right there. It just didn't want us. Man. Test VWAP and go down. Sheesh. It was like, once you get out, hey, we're gonna go do whatever we want. Jeez. Yeah, at least we have a stop loss in. It's going down to this level. Jeez. That was crazy. Yeah. Whew. That would have been beautiful to be in. And just broke the old another level. Sheesh. That's insane. Now what is it gonna do in this little zone? Yeah, man. Should have been in that still. Well. Sheesh. Sheesh.
Order filled.
This one I may just be dumb, so. It could be retested to go lower, or it could just be rejected and to go push up off this level. So. There you go. There we go.
Order filled.
Sheesh. 135, not horrible. Only down now. 108 for the day. Nice recovery. Let's see a break VWAP. Not bad. It was a W. Got a few L's, few W's. Come. There we go. Now we needed to beat VWAP. Come on, baby. We wanted to break it. And this will be my last trade. Chat, what do you think? Are you thinking longs or shorts? We're not premature. It would be depending on how it wants to juggle between the EMAs, be a good place for either call or put right here. But arguably, if we want to call, we want it to break and then retest, and then we get in and then ride it up to here. Come on, baby. There we go. That was a good break.
Order filled.
All right, last play, guys. Last play. It's a good spot. Looks like we created a new support. So if it breaks the 55, Shotty should be going to the moon. If it decides to go low on VWAP, then we're keeping it tight. time we're going to manage this position correctly. It's looking real good right now, though. I like all these EMAs getting crossed right here. As long as it decides to go up, then we're in the right mindset. Come on, Shotty. There we go. Catapult. Come on, Shotty. Oh, like a quick 300. Maybe some positive news will help. There we go. There we go. All right, there we go. That's what we wanted right there. I'm kind of choking it out, but I'm getting we're positive cash now. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
All right, 120. Between two of those. Not bad. Not bad. Down 10 on the day, and look at that. That was why we play a little conservative. I want to. I don't know. It's not feeling very safe. But what a fucking comeback, though. So we took 135 right there. And then 66. Fuck it. Good day. Yeah, we're gonna leave it at that. 'Cause, whew. What a time. That's VWAP again right there. My soul says get it. I don't know. Momentum's kind of iffy going downwards right now. And it's like, yeah, no, I'm not. It keeps rejecting. I probably will be better for a put. This is the... Yeah, that looks like it was good for calm. I know this is a good opportunity right here, but we've already taken way more trades than I normally do, so. The only part of me that's wanting to take a trade is so that we can get above 50K again, because now we're only $25 down. My dogs are being annoying though. You know, we're gonna leave it at that. We're gonna be responsible for the day. So I appreciate the homies that are in here watching. I know there's two gentlemen in here. Oh man, yeah, this would have been a good play. It's beautifully set up. Now it's a little late, but good shit. Well, appreciate you guys.